Somebody once said, there's a point, 7,000 RPMs, where everything fades, when your scene becomes weightless, just disappears, and all that's left is body moving through space and time. 7,000 RPMs, that's where you meet it. I don't know about that. I just don't know about that. But if 7,000 RPMs is good, 8,000's even better. Welcome to the Cobra Daytona build. On this episode, we're at another autocross, and instead of doing the autocrosses in second gear like normal, I've decided after my last little test session a month and a half ago, I'm gonna do this autocross in first gear, and it was a blast. Car was just way more responsive. You could just flick the thing everywhere. But we did hit $8 grand a couple of times, so I'm going to get a video up, probably some data logs, so you guys can see what this thing is spinning up to. And it sounds amazing out there. I mean, it just, I had probably no fewer than at least a dozen people come up to me and go, man, that thing sounds incredible out there. One guy said, man, it sounds like a racetrack. It's just badass. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely car was a blast to drive. Our best time of the morning, which is when they actually count, was 41 and change, which is definitely up near the top of the group. I'm thinking I'm in the top 10 probably. We'll find out, if not better. And that's still with a guy that doesn't know how to drive. I'm finding out a lot of the guys out there have done SCCA racing, lots of years autocross. So I'm still way behind the 8 ball in that regard. But it's getting better, and it's getting better fast. So, but the car, I think you put this car in capable hands, and it could pretty much get anything out there, good run for its money. So enjoy the video, and thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and we'll keep them coming. Thanks.